Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Telefeed account, a confirmed email, and an API token. Enter the token into the bot client so it can authenticate. This lets Telefeed post on your behalf. Next, identify the channel ID or webhook endpoints where you want content routed and copy the feed URL or RSS sources. Once done, save credentials securely and test authentication with a single ping, so you know the bot can reach Telefeed's API before configuring rules. Now you configure the core behavior. Add each feed URL and choose a fetch interval. 15M is a common balance between timeliness and rate limits. Define routing rules so the bot filters by keywords, mentions, or tags and maps items to specific channels. Then set message templates. Decide whether to include full text, excerpts, images, or attachments, and enable link previews. Make sure to preview a sample item so you understand how the formatted post will look when it's published. Finish by enabling the bot and performing a full sync. Watch the first posts to verify channels and formatting. If duplicates appear or posts are missing, adjust deduplication windows and retry policies, and lower fetch frequency to respect API rate limits. Make sure webhooks are reachable and that the bot's clock uses UTC if timestamps seem off. If things go wrong, consult live logs for authentication failures or 429 errors. Those indicate token.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.